What's up, guys? How's it going? Zoltaev here, aka John. The real question is Pandagirl token done? What has been going on? Go ahead and stay tuned. Watch till the end of the video. I'll go ahead and give you guys all the update and inside news of what is going on. Do not panic, but before I do go ahead and move on forward, I do want to go ahead and say I am not a financial advisor. Anything I do say or talk about in this video is solely for entertainment purposes only. Always invest in what you're willing to lose, right, guys? So let's go ahead and hit the charts. Let you guys know the drama that is actually going on with Pandagirl, the whole market overview, and what is going on. So let's go ahead and hit the charts. So if you guys have not noticed, you guys must be living under a rock. If you guys have not realized the whole market is red, so that is the first starters that I'm going to go ahead and bring up. Let's go ahead and switch over to the daily. But unfortunately, we were at a very strong support area around this area right here. I did mention to everyone that if we did see a massive break to the downside, that was going to be extremely bullish and extremely bearish, and it currently is bearish. But there is one thing right now that I could say that it is one of the things that could really make this flip upside to the upside very soon is due to the fact that we actually did hit one of our major support areas, which is our major supply area, which indicates that's a big, huge buying zone. This is where we actually came in through with pre-sale when it pumped. Unfortunately, the whole market is red with a lot of fears going on. Today, Biden did end up signing the regulation regarding crypto. It looked like the market took it really well, actually created a short squeeze to the upside, hitting over at least, I think it was around 41,000 BTC. But we'll go ahead and talk about the BTC chart right now. So go ahead and stay tuned, guys, and keep on watching. Watch to the end of the video because there is some drama that actually caused this Pandagirl dump. It is ridiculously dumb, but I'll go ahead and keep you guys updated, right, guys? So it is looking extremely bullish in my opinion because it has hit its major support area. I don't expect this to go any lower. Can it happen? Yes, but I don't think that's possible. That's possible at all. So let's go ahead and switch over to the 4 hourly chart real quick. So unfortunately, guys, we're down. I can't really tell you how I really feel about it. I'm kind of disappointed, but not really because the whole market has been red. The whole market has been down for the past 3 months. Waiting a few couple weeks is not going to hurt. So definitely do not cut your losses at this point if you guys are this low. It is going to pick up, but like I said, not financial advice. So these are actually like pre-sale prices, guys. So if you guys go ahead, let's say for example, put in $1,000, $2,000, you guys could easily go ahead and 10x your money to the upside. So I think really in the next couple of weeks, maybe in about one more month, we should be seeing an uptrend going back up with the whole market, and we should be hitting new all territory, new all-time high. So I would say you guys could easily go ahead and turn some money into a quick, easy 10x or even more, because I think that's when the bull market will actually fully start. So what is going on with Pandagirl, guys, right? So I'll go ahead and walk you into that, and one of the reasons why I really do think we are extremely bullish at the moment. So Pandagirl actually did release, they did hold back on their NFTs due to the fact that the whole market was red. So releasing bullish news in a market that it's fearful and uncertain is definitely not the tactic to go ahead and do. So definitely that's what they went ahead and did. And as well, one thing they actually did mention, as I think it was today, let's go ahead and see the date. So actually 12 hours ago, they did this tweet: Pandagirl Mega Lottery. So you get 1.5 quadrillion Pandagirl tokens, which is currently over 15K at a current price to be won. So you guys could actually go ahead and win this. Just go ahead and go on their Twitter, Pandagirl token. Make sure you guys are clicking on the right Twitter, and go ahead and click on the link and then learn more. So with whatever purchase 0.1 BNB, you actually get one ticket to go ahead and enter for this lottery ticket, guys. So go ahead and continue to buy. This is where you guys go ahead and continue to buy the dip. And this is how you know the team is very bullish on their own project. Like, who will be giving out $15,000 to a lucky winner just for buying their own token? Like, think about that. So there is really not that many projects that I've seen or any projects do that at all. So this is really a good opportunity not only to go ahead and fill up your bags and encourage you to buy the dip, because you guys are going to be very thankful later down the future in the next couple of weeks when you guys do that transition. But as well, you guys actually get a chance to go ahead and enter to win $15,000 from just buying your own bag and as well being a lucky winner, guys. So definitely go ahead and check out the rules to that. Like I said, you actually have a higher chance winning 15,000 with this than you do playing the actual lottery, guys. So you guys have to really, if you guys are playing the lottery at the gas station, I would recommend you to stop and invest your money in Pandagirl instead. Again, not financial advice, right? So let's go ahead and talk about what's going on with the all the drama, right? So yeah, if you guys actually go ahead and head over to CoinMarketCap, and if you guys are still watching, congratulations. So let's go ahead and see where it's at.
Mr. President, this looks really bad, sir. The doctor's research was leaked and it has left unrest within the country. This is not good. The plan backfired, as I predicted. Mr. President, you need to speak on this or there will be riots. We cannot afford riots on top of this. The president wants all samples brought to the laboratory at once for immediate testing. This could be dangerous, people. Very dangerous.
Okay, so there is a lot of FUD right here if you go down to the coin market cap. I believe it's from this guy right here. If you guys just go scroll down to the market cap and you guys scroll down to through the comments, there's this guy fudding it, and I'm not sure if I could longer see it, but I wanted to go ahead and show you. Okay, so right here, this is what this guy said back on March 5th. This is what he claims, and I got some actual proof to this, which I did not save, but trust me on this. So this guy says, that's what happens when you promise NFTs release urgently soon. The lack of common sense to address when it will be, and kicked leaders with over 500,000 followers because your white paper date has far passed, and they kept kindly asking when NFTs will release. So apparently this whole drama is going over about, someone asking about, the white paper with Panda Girl, and, he fudded. And I understand it's everybody's concern. That is kind of a concern. But honestly, guys, if the project did all of that without a white paper, and the team has been delivering, you guys shouldn't really worry about it. I know it's kind of like one of those things to be against investing into a project. It's always looking at the white paper. But, just going through with the roadmap, and even keep this in mind, even teams will go ahead and provide you white papers and a clear roadmap and still scam you guys. So definitely do not let this, hit you in the back of the head and like fall for it. From what I confirmed as well from the admins is that I went in the chat, asked what was going on. This one guy was fudding on Facebook as well and on Twitter, talking about how Panda Girl is a scam, and like he was just bashing the project, right? And he was a previous admin in the project as well, so he was just saying like the worst thing ever. Sorry, not an admin. He was a mod for the Telegram. So I went ahead and I messaged the admin of Panda Girl and asked to go ahead and confirm, and he said, yeah, he was just a regular mod that they made in the Telegram, but nothing else. And yeah, so he just pretty much fudded his own bag, and he ended up selling one of the big whales, which I think it might be this influencer, ended up selling his bags around this area right here. So that's what caused the massive panic and dump. He was actually the one that caused that dump right here, and I think it was done on purpose just to go ahead and like do a big FU to the project, just cause people on crypto are like that. They're weirdos. They're willing to go ahead and just put a project down for no apparent reason. But yeah, so he ended up doing it around this area, around this area right here, and then that's when we broke major support, was due to all that FUD. And apparently, like, he told all his subscribers and followers or whatever the case is. I don't know who the influencer is, or else I'd pull it up. But yeah, that's what he ended up doing. and pretty much funding the project. And that's what's going on right now with this whole drama with Pandagirl. And people are like on the Telegram, it's like completely dead, guys. As well, like it's nothing but FUD in there. Like people are like paper hands, like panicking. They're complaining about the white paper. They're complaining about NFT drops when, and like, it's just clueless people that have no idea, guys. And this is the reason why you guys should be subscribed to our channel. You guys do not want to be one of those clueless people not knowing what's going on and be a headless chicken running around panicking, not knowing how to react, and selling down right here in the low, right before one of the biggest bull runs in history, guys. Literally everything we've been talking about in this channel has been going on. So let's go ahead and switch over to BTC. And if you guys are still watching, I want to go ahead and say thank you to our sponsor, MetaFest 22. We are having the event this Saturday as well. We are having our podcast, which is brand new, and we are going to be replacing the days with Friday. So really appreciate every one of you guys. Make sure to join the Discord as well down below. Currently valued at $3,000 and is currently free to every one of you guys that go ahead, subscribe, like, and click the link down below for the Discord. Go ahead and take advantage of that, guys. We will be closing the doors very soon onto that and be giving you exclusive premium services. So go ahead, for example, like NFT drops, exclusive NFT drops, plays of the week, NFT plays, DAOs possibly, we could do a lot, guys. So definitely go ahead and check out the Discord. But let's go ahead and talk about Bitcoin real quick and what is going on. So I was, expecting this massive shot to the upside. I believe this was a short squeeze that actually caused this. So that is what currently happened. We did take a dump, which is totally healthy and normal. Currently, we are at the oversold territory on the 1 hourly chart. If we go over to the 4 hourly chart, massive pump to the upside and then a dump, we actually hit support. So that is actually looking extremely bullish. We were currently oversold a few hours ago, so I'm really glad to see this dump. But as well too, guys, this is kind of I don't want to be the bear in the news, but I'm extremely bullish. But this does look like a head and shoulders pattern forming. I'm not sure that's actually you could actually fully validate that, but do expect if we do not hold support very well, we could say that we found support area around right here, and right here. So we could go ahead and say that's a really strong support area for BTC. But if we do go ahead and drop below, I would say, if we do go ahead and drop below the support line right here so far, and this is major support area right here. If we can't hold down this area, we definitely will be expecting it to drop down to 36,000. And if we can't hold 36,000, guys, do expect 34,000. And after 34,000, guys, I will give you that as a confirmation of a bear market. So we are extremely literally on the thin ice right now, hoping we could go ahead and hold above support to go ahead and get that full-on confirmation that we are green. I do expect this to go ahead and bounce back up, and hopefully this time we could go ahead and break above it and hold. So let's go ahead and actually switch over to the daily chart to get a better view of what's going on. So we look at the daily chart. We are looking extremely bullish. Look what we've been creating right here. So I think, like I said, it's probably just going to consolidate for a while and then pop off. We do definitely need to go ahead and break above the 45,000 area, I would say. So the goal would be to go ahead and break it, possibly take a little dip, consolidate for a while, and then pump up again is what we should be seeing. But right now, in order to go ahead and say that we are bullish and are in a bull market, we definitely do need to go ahead and break around this area of 45,000, guys, and go ahead and hold that support. I really do expect the market to go ahead and be bullish within the next 2 to 3 weeks. And I think, that's the start of the bull run, guys. I think, mid-March, we do have the Fed hike. So I think that is going to be extremely bullish news. It just seems like the market just gets better every day. All right, guys. So if you guys are selling your bags right now and are fudding, I really feel, I would say I really feel bad for you, but I really don't, because you guys are really leaving, the biggest transfer of wealth behind that is going to happen in one of the biggest crypto short squeezes ever, guys. I really do expect this market to go up higher. So go ahead and stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and end the video there. I really appreciate every one of you guys. We will not be uploading Friday due to the fact that Fridays don't do well. So with the whole market being up and down, as much as I want to go ahead and do content, guys, every day and continue to pump those videos, unfortunately our channel does get hit when crypto does bad. So when crypto does bad, none of you guys tend to go ahead and watch our channel and know our people, new people looking to go ahead and look into crypto. So it kind of sucks. But I'm definitely going to go ahead and take advantage of that little break. So we are going to be taking a little bit more breaks in between just because the market is reacting uncertain. So I would rather just focus that time and energy into, marketing the channel a lot more and, connecting and networking with a lot more people. So if you guys do see that change, don't think that we're leaving. As much as sometimes I don't want to go ahead and do an update due to that reason, but I do not want to go ahead and leave you guys behind. There's a lot of influencers there that get too much into their feelings and then just forget about the channel and leave their community behind. And that's not what we're here for, guys. But always know that we are on the crypto market 24/7. Even if I'm not on YouTube, best believe I'm working on something crypto related. So that's why it's very urgent for you guys to go ahead and follow me on Twitter, and as well go ahead and join us on Discord. That's the most active you could go ahead and catch us on, guys. We could go ahead and communicate and network. So don't think that not because we're not uploading, we're not on, all right, guys? So I just want to say thank you to every one of you guys. We will be hitting 1,000 subs very soon, and I'll catch you guys till later, all right? Have a great weekend.